Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I thought I'd do a preview of some of the stamp sets and dies that are available coming January of 2026. The Fragrant Layers Bundle is available as an online exclusive and it's super pretty. I can't show you the packaging or anything, but I can show you the projects that I've made with it. It's got this amazing die. It cuts out the middle piece and then you just trim the outside to fit. And it's got a detailed stamp and then a background stamp that you can use to fill the flowers in. And this one, I just used the eyelet 3D folder in the background. And this one, super, super cute. I used the background stamp and then one of the dies to go over top. And I stamped, before I laid the die over top, I stamped the centers of the flowers. And then I just hello all over the place and then added in some leaves. And then I've got two very similar ones where I used the die. These are 3 1/4 by 5 pieces, and I did the die in the middle. And then I just used the blending brushes with 3 different colors across the front. And then we've got this one, which is the Mixed Up Patterns Designer Series paper. So you get a little bit of a sampling from each of a bunch of different ones. And I really like how this one has turned out. But that is our video for today. Super quick, super easy. And because I can't show any of the detail, I'm not actually going to make the cards on the video. I will in the new year do a whole rollout of it, but I just wanted to introduce you to the Fragrant Layers as an online exclusive available in January. If you're a demonstrator, it's on pre-order right now. But that is our set of cards. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.